It's Pizza Hut. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, wow.
What's that? Oh, that's cute. It's a lobster. It says cooked lobster. I wonder if it's eggs or what? What is that? Oh, now it's a pizza. Aha! What is that? Oh, a fruit tray. That's cute. Yummy. Oh, what's that? Isn't that a juice? It's so cute and so many. Guys, what's that? I hope it's eggs. Oh, what's that? No, we didn't get the eggs. But, whoa, it was a hamburger from IHOP. Even so, super soft. Chicken, pizza down. So I'm going to replace this with this one inside. And where will that burger go? I will have it go here. So the pizza can go up with its things. You need to watch part 2 so I can unbox this bowl.